So this is the sheet of glass. It's 12 by 14. So we put it on there, and I'm going to clip these, but I'm going to need to take them off as I tape it. So I'll just put 2 on for now. So this is Ace Hardware brand tape. For some reason I find that this sticks better than other brands. Sticks to the plastic. If you have a hard time getting it to stick to the bed, then clean the glass with rubbing alcohol. So I'm just going to try and get this nice and straight. So I don't get any weirdness. And then tear. You don't want to wrap this around the glass because then it changes the thickness. You do not want the tape to overlap. You'd rather have a slight gap than to have an overlap. But really you just want to butt them up side by side. So you want it to stick really good, so you gotta like press it down. Sometimes I take the putty knife and just kind of like scrape it down. If it doesn't stick good, then the part will like lift the tape off the glass. That was good. Okay. Are on. Okay, next up is going to be to get things moving so that we can start leveling.